So the former generations actor Thabiso Mokhethi and his wife Gaaratwe have decided to go their separate ways, but Thabiso did not want to reveal why they split up. He said that we are working to find an amicable way to co-parent our 3 kids. We are doing this for our kids. We will continue to get along, and there's nothing I can do if my wife feels like moving on without me, said Thabiso. He said it is painful, and he loves his wife very much, but obviously divorce is not ideal. It is very painful. I am hurting. I'm going through a painful experience, but I don't want to overlook the fact that there are kids who need me to be strong for them during this difficult time. He said it was his wife who decided to leave their marriage and house. Oh my God. We are working out the details of how we will be able to see my kids, said Thabiso. In a previous interview, Thabiso admitted to beating his wife while he was fighting depression on drugs, and after losing his mother, and after his brother being in a crash, I think in a car crash, but they made up. Gaaratwe said that we tried to make it work and find ways to dealing with these things that causing our breakdown in our marriage, but we couldn't. Our only priority now is to find a way to co-parent and be the best parents to them. A lot has happened in our marriage, and I believe when these things that made you to fall in love with someone are no longer there, you leave. We tried our best, but it's just not working out. When a situation gets to I'm sorry. These are my thoughts. I sympathize for the kids. They have 3 kids, but their well-being and their sanity, comes first. If Gaaratwe feels that her marriage no longer serves her, which is a good thing, she must go out of the relationship, because now she's going to become a punching bag. This guy just beat her up. But I like the fact that he takes accountability of his actions. He takes accountability of his actions, even though he's willing to fight for this marriage. But you know what? Sometimes you need to love someone at a distance. I think it also does good to you. Don't fight for someone while you are in the marriage, in the relationship, because it is going to do more harm. Hence, you see shows like Ufelani. You love a person to such a point where you lose yourself, and then it becomes so toxic, it becomes so physical. So I feel that at least they came to an agreement where they are both sober-minded, and they made an safe agreement that now they need to part ways and look for the best interest for the kids. Because imagine having 2 parents that are not happy and then busy raising kids. No, that's not good. So if both parents are happy separate ways but busy raising kids, I feel that is good. So as much as we don't condone divorce, but if it's toxic, if it's harmful, if it's life-threatening, call it quits. Or better yet, let them separate if they haven't signed yet. So, Mr. Mokhethi, these are the kind of men that we should look up to, and I hope he gets help with his depression. Depression is very hard. Losing a parent is very hard. And using drugs as well, it's not an easy thing to step out of. I hope he gets help. for himself. Anyway, till I see you again, please don't forget to comment with the word love below. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.